Morning Sticks, hope you're up and ready to smash the day. Today is Sunday. Today we're going to go for a POV drive in a SKODA and show how you can drive a slow car fast. Well, any car fast, but without having to drive crazy. It's 6 a.m. morning, let's bang out the press ups. 40 reps, I was getting better at this every day, come on. So now we're going to talk about how you can make any car feel fast. We're back in the SKODA VRS 2-litre 170 TDI CR. It's basically the full spec of this car. This is the car we're going to use as an example to show how you can drive any car fast. I'm going to give some of my tips. It's a Sunday morning, so the roads are going to be a lot more quiet. There's not going to be a lot of traffic. So we are going to probably give it now and again, but not driving crazy fast. Because at the end of the day, to feel quick, to feel like you're driving fast, is to go on the B road. There is nothing, anybody can vouch for me on this, beats a B road drive. They call it B road bash, but honestly, like, you feel like you're going so fast on the B road compared to the big roads like this. You know, when I was younger, for me to understand the concept of driving fast and what feels fast, I started off in a Nissan Micra, Nissan Almera, something that's got like 60 brake horsepower. Would instantly feel fast when you're driving quick down the B roads. Fast forward now, driving 500 brake horsepower, you know, Civics, 700 brake horsepower Skylines, they would feel fast, and it is like obviously scary and you can't handle it. But I felt like that when I drove a slow car. It's just how you drive it and where you drive it. When the car sounds crazy loud, it does feel so much faster. That's one thing I wanted to mention. In the Audi S4 POV, yesterday's video, when you're driving fast in that, you're like proper feeling faster. But then when you're in a car like a diesel that gives you crazy torque, it does feel quick, but the sound of the car doesn't reflect how quick you're going. So in the video it looks slow, but in person it's really quick. It's all about throttle control and what gear you're in. That defines how you can make a car feel fast. Wow, that guy is biking around the B road. He's brave, he is. Keep the revs between 2,002 to 3,000. You don't need to go crazy fast. You don't need to rev very high. But right now I'm starting to feel very fast. Rev match, keep the revs up. Keep the corners very tight. That also makes the car feel very fast. This is what you call enjoy driving fast. And the B roads give you that reality feeling that you're driving very quick as well. We're only going around 50 when it's supposed to be a 70 down here. Oh, look at that beautiful tunnel. We need a straight pipe car, you know. This car needs to be modified. Nothing beats a tunnel drive. Let's go. This is it, guys. Build up the speed. It's all about keeping it in the right gear, 4th gear and 3rd gear. You don't want to drive fast. Like I said, I'm just getting the speed up before we get past the black lines. What I mean by black lines, I got a subscriber called Black Lines. You're watching this, bro. Black lines. Let's go. This is it now. 4th gear, 50. You know, eyes fully awake. Focus. Go through the tunnel. Let's drive. This is what you call. Don't be in 5th gear. You can stay in 4th gear if you have to. Keep the revs ready so the throttle control is there when the revs are in the sweet spot of the car. Gotta overtake this bike messenger. Excuse me, bro. Let's go. So this is it now. Gotta concentrate. I'm only going at 50, 60, 50 miles per hour. Like I said, you can go 70 if you're being very careful. But these roads are really tight, so it's gonna feel really fast. Excuse me, crow. I'm in 4th gear right now. We are literally smoking it. This is what you call driving. You know, it feels so fast. And how to drive, this is how you drive a car fast as well. With 4th gear, 3rd gear, rev match, boom. You don't need to rev really high. I'm not, you know, killing the MPGs. I'm not pressing unnecessary brake. So if I'm pressing brake, I'm not enjoying the speed and the you know, keeping that fastness, keeping that speed going so the car still feels fast. You don't need to press brake. So I'm still keeping it in 3rd gear, 2000 RPM. just keeping a little bit of braking. Third gear, rev match. Boom, fourth gear. Holding it on the road. Look at this. It is feeling remarkable right now. Like a rally driver. I need a co-pilot. The sharp turn coming. Third gear, rev match. Whoop! Let's go! Bam! Let's go. Fourth gear. Keep the speed up. Keep the throttle up. Again, it's always considered going to feel fast. My dopamine levels are through the roof right now. I'm in race mode. My adrenaline rush is literally high as anything. Let's keep going. Fourth gear, fifth gear now. Let's go! Come on! This is how you drive a car fast. Whoa! Whoa, okay, alright. Fourth gear, rev match. Keep the rev up. That's it. I'm not even like driving crazy. I'm not even at high RPMs, so I'm not wasting any fuel because the fuel consumption is pretty decent. Right, fourth gear, fifth gear. Let's keep pushing. Oh man. Whoo! You know when you do something like that, guys, you know the feeling that you get. Like I got butterflies right now. I got butterflies. Such an unbelievable feeling, guys. We do need to get the Hondas out. I do want to build an NA Honda. I really do. I don't think a diesel car can, like, you know, it can do it. It's doing it. Sorry, bro. Indicate. Second gear. We're gonna go down a dual carriageway now. Black lines again, bro. Let's go. Third gear. Early shift. Fourth. I'm not, you know, not wasting any fuel. It's just about keeping the throttle control and the gear shift at the sweet spot. That's how you have the car giving that feeling of driving fast. Right, fourth gear, rev match, third gear, a little bit of braking, hold it tight, let's go, boom, third gear, fourth gear, like it's gonna feel quick, 40 miles per hour, 50 miles per hour, fifth gear, 60, boom. That is fast. Obviously, a dual carriageway, you can't feel like you're driving fast on a dual carriageway unless you're breaking the speed limit. But on the B road, you can't even reach the speed limit because of how fast it feels. So that is the key to feeling fast. The four concept. 1, find a B road with tight turns and constant turns. 2, have the throttle control exactly where it needs to be. 3, the RPM sweet spot of where the car has the power delivery, like constantly, along with acceleration, it's always there. And 4th, don't press unnecessary braking when you don't need to. Those are the 4 ingredients to have the feeling of driving fast, but without driving crazy fast, if that makes sense, guys. So now we're just gonna take it easy because need to like get that adrenaline rush, like, you know, cool down, because whew, that was so good. Gosh, and the sun is like blazing in my eyes, getting that vitamin D and the melatonin. Not a bad Sunday morning, guys, not a bad Sunday morning. A lot of people have been asking for when you're going to post a high quality content, which I've been waiting to do it. I've got some sponsors that want me to sponsor a few clips in the main video, so I need to get to work and get that done. I think I'm going to end the video there. If you guys enjoyed that, as usual, smash the subscribe button, smash the like button. I realised some of you guys from the reaction video of the Mitsubishi Evo racing in Malaysia, a lot of people quite enjoyed that and suggested me quite a few videos. So I am going to start doing those videos today and hopefully get them uploaded as well if I get the time. But yeah, man, guys, for this morning stakes, because this video is for the morning stakes. Thank you very much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Subscribe if you're new, smash the like button, drop a comment if you want to share anything, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.